We got the lateral view, which means the outside looking in view of the right foot. You'll notice that the toes on the right hand edge are closer to the ground. The toes on the left hand edge have the arch. That's interesting. I guess because the right hand side is where more weight hits the ground. Like if you were to be dancing, moving your weight from right to left, your weight needs to be distributed across the entire right half of your foot. But when you shift your weight to your left, the weight goes to the left edge of the left foot. It doesn't need to transfer to the left edge of the right foot because you have a left foot. It's so cool to see how the body is designed around the way we use it. So I would definitely put sensors along the right edge of the foot to measure the amount of weight being placed on the right edge of the foot. Right on the bottom I'd put sensors. Maybe one like right here would probably be critical. That'd measure how far to the right the robot's leaning. I'd put a sensor right here on the base of this bone. I'd put a strain gauge there. A strain gauge measures the amount of surface tension of the bone or of the surface that it's attached to. And that would measure the amount of weight being put on the back of the foot. That would tell me if the robot's leaning too far back. If he was, he'd stick his butt out a little bit and he'd flex his abs a little bit to pull his torso forward a little bit. And that would cause him to lean forward to prevent him from falling backwards. So frequent measurements, maybe 30 times per second, maybe that's overkill, I don't know, would be required to make little adjustments to its muscular tension in order to maintain proper center of gravity and balance. Gyroscopes would be a definite aid, I think, especially for measuring like momentum, I guess. I'm sure it will help in the calculations, but I feel like just putting sensors on the feet would tell me a lot for my software to work with that.